What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Wide Body Nation. My name's Adam. Thanks for tuning in. We got a quick update today. So we tuned, and by we, I mean Tommy, my tuner back in Clarksville. He tuned the STI S209, one of 209. He tuned it today, and he put the stage 1 access port tune from COBB, and it's actually for the S209, so it's not for a Type RA, it's not for a generic STI, not for a WRX, none of that. He uploaded the specific stage 1 tune, because remember, we're still the stock downpipe. He uploaded it, and he said that he basically confirmed that this dyno graph right here, it went from this more stable, more flat curve to a much more linear but higher top end curve, which is interesting. He said it really helps it with coming out of a corner, because like when you're coming out of a corner, say like a second gear or third gear corner, you got so much more from like that basically $5,000 to right up to red line at about 6,800. So he said that it really helps there. And then third and fourth gear especially, he said it really smooths them out, because I mean, you know, ripping through first and second gear, you don't notice as much in cars, I feel like, especially when they're short geared like the STIs are. But third and fourth gear pulls, he said it really smooths it out. He said it feels like the timing is a lot better, and just the boost a lot more linear. Doesn't kind of come on like as much of a hit anymore. So that's good and bad. Problems though. One, the injector duty cycle, he said, is at 95%, and it's still pretty hot out. So he said when it gets colder, it'll probably hit 100%. So the injectors are hurting us right now. Basically everything's ready to rock. Because remember, the S209 already has the conical intake right here. The conical intake already has a silicone inlet, and it has this nice intake breather right here. Remember, it has that turbo back there as well. Has the HKS turbo back there, and then we already have the exhaust rocking. We don't have the downpipe on it, so it still has the regular stock downpipe, real narrow. Basically, I mean the exit for the downpipe is as wide as a roll of quarters. So we want to get the downpipe on there, but we can't, because it's gonna be destroying those injectors. So I'm thinking we just go straight E85 with it. E85 fuel pump, 1300 cc injectors, and then fuel pressure regulator, and then we'll sauce in that downpipe. Stage 2 custom tune from Tommy. Also, another thing, apparently there's a slight issue with the ECU as far as like getting access to it. So if you're a tuner out there and you're wondering if tuning the S209 is any different, yes, it is. You need an extra right or an extra manufacturer access to it. So Tommy is hitting up COBB to see what they can do for him, so he can get in there and beep boop bop boop, put in the launch code, so this thing will be making 400 wheel, hopefully sooner rather than later, hopefully in October. So right now, he said the car is basically ready to roll. We're just gonna do a quick oil change because it's about 4,000 miles, and I'm gonna go ahead, hit Nashville Cars and Coffee this weekend on Saturday, hit Atlanta Cars and Coffee on Sunday, and then we are gonna go ahead and daily it in the stage 1 S209 setup. Remember, it's got the N1 catback exhaust on it, it's got the mud flaps, got the gold wheels, so we're looking good. Paint protection film as well from Velocity Motor Cars. Shout out Velocity down in Tennessee. They sold my C8 Corvette for me. Appreciate that. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Just a quick video update on today, and stay tuned. I'm going to get an update from my salesman on that Charger 2021 Charger Hellcat SRT wide body red eye. I think that's all of them. Going to get an update when it hits October 1st, because that is when the new incentives come out for October. Hopefully they extend those horsepower dollars from 2020 into 2021. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow or maybe later tonight. Stay safe out there. See you next time.